What's up, hackers? Welcome back to CTF Tricks, your go-to spot for breaking down the most complex hacks into simple wins. Today we are dealing with Advent of Cyber day number 20, which is regarding race conditions. For those of you who are new to this channel or new to Tryhackme's Advent of Cyber, it is a month-long event starting from December 1st up until December 24th, helping you learn the very basics of cybersecurity. These cover the very basics and also the very trending topics in cybersecurity. So today's lab is named as Race Conditions Taught to the World. So without any delay, let's dive right into it. In the interest of time, I have already started the machine required for this lab. One thing to note over here is you need to be connected to Tryhackme's network, whether it be via the attack box or the split screen Kali terminal or via OpenVPN. Let me know down in the comment section which of these options are you using, and if you need help to know how to connect via OpenVPN, let me know down in the comment section as well. I'll be glad to help you out with a video tutorial guiding on the same. So the Best Festival company has launched its limited edition sleigh toy, which is only 10 pieces available at midnight. Within seconds, thousands rushed to buy one. But something strange happened. More than 10 lucky customers received confirmation mails stating that their orders were successful. Confusion spread fast. How could everyone have bought the last toy? MaxKitty was called in to investigate. Awesome. So a race condition happens when two or more actions occur at the same time. The system's outcome depends on the order in which they finish. For this lab, we'll be using Burp Suite. So make sure you have a Burp Suite instance up and running. Also, for easier navigation, I'll be using Foxy Proxy to actually guide traffic to Burp. So with this way, I can just use the extension to decide when I want to send the data, that is the packets, through Burp and when I don't want to do so. Let me know down in the comment section if you need a tutorial of how you can set up Foxy Proxy to help in your hacking endeavors. So in web application, it often happens when multiple users or automated requests simultaneously access or modify shared resources, such as inventory or account balances. Race conditions occur. If proper synchronization isn't in place, it can lead to unexpected results, such as duplicate transactions, oversold items, or unauthorized data changes. For this lab, I have already opened up the target machine login page where we need to log in. The username will be attacker and the password will be attacker@123. I'll copy the password and let's paste it and let's dive right into it. Awesome. So here we see two options, Sleigh Toy Limited Edition and Bunny Plus Blue. Let's add both to the cart and let's see if there is any change in view orders. No, there isn't any changes. So let's try to check out. This is our cart where we have one Bunny Plus toy and one Sleigh toy. Just a note over here, we cannot add more than one of these toys. So if we can by chance order more than one toy, that will be another vulnerability for another day. Awesome. So let's see, the shipping and billing address is already pre-filled. Let's confirm and pay. And it says, thank you for the purchase. You will soon receive an email with all details. Let's go to view orders, and here we see both the order IDs with the products, the stock before and the stock after, and the time when the product was purchased. Let's try to interfere with the website logic, and let's fire up Burp. I'll go to the proxy tab and turn intercept on. Just a note, I haven't turned the proxy to route traffic via Burp yet. For now, I'll just click add to Slay Toy Limited Edition and click add to cart for Bunny Plus toy as well. So now if I do view cart, I have both of these toys in my cart. Let's proceed to checkout. But before proceeding to checkout, let's enable proxy to route the traffic to Burp Pro. Once I do that, let's proceed to checkout. And yay! So here we see like there is a get request for the checkout page. Let's forward it. This is not what we need. Now let's proceed to checkout. I'll press confirm and pay. And here we see there is a post request which actually processes the checkout. Let's try to interfere here. Let's send it to repeater. You can press Ctrl plus R or right click and send to repeater. Once we are in the repeater, in the proxy section, I'll drop this packet and turn intercept off. Now in the repeater, I'll right click on the tab and select add tab to a group and then select create tab group. I'll name the group attack. You can name anything you want. This is on you and it really doesn't matter what name you give over here. I'll click create and yay, there's an attack tab created. I'll right click on this one again and I'll click on duplicate tab. And here we see like we can duplicate it number of times. We know that the Slay toy has 9 in stock and Bunny Plus toy has 4 in stock. So what if we place 15 requests at the same time? Can we purchase them all? Let's try it out. I pressed duplicate it 15 times and click on duplicate. It will, as you see, it has duplicated it 15 times and now we have 15 same requests. Now before proceeding, ensure to click this downwards arrow. Once I click it, I'll select send group in parallel, last byte sync. So what this will do is it will send all these requests at once. And once I send it, all these requests will place the order. Let's see if the website can handle it. I'll click send group in parallel. Awesome. So now the response has arrived and we see the order has been placed. I guess the order has been placed for every single one of them. But how can it happen, right? There are not enough toys. So let's go back to the store page and let's see. Oh no, we have oversold the Slay toy and right now the number says -7. Also, we have oversold the Bunny Plus toy as well. That's not supposed to happen. Now, as we have encountered this race condition in both the toys, we have found our flag that we need for this lab. I'll copy the first flag, that is THM winner of race 007. Let's scroll down to the very bottom of this lab. And here you say what is the flag value once the stocks are negative for Slay Toy Limited Edition. Let's paste the first flag, that is winner of race 007. Next, let's copy the other flag which says winner of Bunny race. And let's go back to the second question. Repeat the same steps as we are done for ordering the Slay Toy Limited Edition. What is the flag value once the stocks are negative for Bunny Plus Blue? We already copied the flag. Let's paste it. And let's click on check for both of them. So This seems okay. You are going too fast. Please try in a little while. Sorry for that. Yay! So we got the port of the flags. Feel free to check out the race conditions room if you enjoyed this task, which we certainly did. Let's click check on this. And yay! Congratulations on completing race conditions. Toy to the world. And that's how you do it like a pro. If you found this walkthrough helpful, smash that like button and hit subscribe to join the CTF Tricks squad. We are dropping fresh content every single day, so don't miss out. Until next time, keep hacking, keep practicing, and see you in the next video.